Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Molly Ariana. If you're back again, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be doing how I do my fake freckles, faux freckles, faux freckles. I really hope the bells in my ears don't get too annoying. So, I don't use any super duper special product. Like, some people have like fake freckle like stuff. I don't know what you would call it, but this is pretty much the same thing, and this is like $3 at Walmart. Some stuff is like $30, and that's ridiculous because this does the same thing. It's called Revlon Color Stay Brow Tint. They sent me this like a year ago, and it was supposed to be for my brows, and when I tried it, I'm like, this sucks for brows. It's way too watery, and like it doesn't look like just about anything. Like when you start like really mixing it up, like it's pretty dark here, but the moment you start like blending, it kind of goes away, as you can see. And like for an eyebrow, you want that bitch to stay on. I also use this for my beauty marks. Like I have a real beauty mark right here that gets covered up with foundation, and I kind of like to bring her back to life so that you can see her. So what I do is I just start putting teeny tiny little dots, and then I put it back, take my finger, blend it, do the same thing, kind of tap off the excess, just put teeny tiny. You want to do them in random little like patterns. Freckles typically aren't straight across lines. They're really spread apart and random, and I like to just really, I use my finger. After I use my finger, I go back in with my sponge, and it all depends on what kind of freckles you're going for. I like the cute little nose freckles. I don't typically go all over the face because I feel like it kind of distracts you from the makeup. And like another like secret tip, if you have a pimple, just put a little bit of it on the pimple, and it's like, what pimple? Like it's covered in a beautiful little freckle, and just very lightly, because you don't really want to disturb the rest of your makeup. After we blend, we set. I'm using the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist from ColourPop. And I'm just going to like avoid the wig as much as possible because it gets all sticky and gross. So there you go. That is my little secret from my little makeup routine that I do all the time. Please follow me on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube clearly, and like follow me on TikTok because TikTok is a lot of fun and I love making stupid videos on there. Also, can we appreciate my cute outfit? It's the Powerpuff Girls. Yes, and my cute skirt and my awesome fuzzy bracelet. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Also, because I keep reading, bubblegum claws. Thank you. Are you eating gelato right now?